Okay, last time we defined groupings and assigned number ranges.
जो आप कॉन्फ़िगरेशन मटेरियल देंगे उसके अंदर ये
So you have to make grouping for vendors for different type of vendors and assign a number range. Every group of vendor, whether it is for material services, foreign or local or banks, they will have a separate number range. Each number range will relate to a group. It will relate to a category of vendors, and that category will have a specific number range. If there is a group of vendors dealing in raw materials, they will have the same number range. For example, local vendors will have 11, let's say 77 local vendors, 04 foreign vendors, 01 banks, T1 employees, 03 raw material vendors, 02 semi-finished good vendors, B8 finished good vendors or taxation vendors. Okay, that's how you make number range. So we have made this. Let's ahead. Okay. Next is an easy step. SAP Business Partner, and then we have enterprise structure. No, sorry, cross application component. Cross application component. Master data synchronization. Customer vendor integration. Business partner settings. Settings for vendor integration. Field assignments, assign keys, and define number assignment for direction BP to vendor. Okay. A39 are different. Okay. I'm just removing some errors. BT46. New entries. BT46. This is grouping from cross application component, and this is BT46 from FI. Same numbers, same are different. Oh. HCLR.
I think we have to copy as
No, we don't have to copy. It's just someone has actually created wrong number ranges, and I have to correct the configuration of people over here. I don't know why people do it. Oh. do it completely. Page down. Page down. Down. Save. Okay. Now it is to some extent. Okay. New entries. BD46. BD46. Toyonasik. Toyonasik vendor. This is coming from FI. Save. Data was saved. Now we can create a vendor. Okay. Now that is done. Let's go to master data. Master data will be BP, that is business partner. Okay. Organization. Create an BP role. It is generalized business partner. Grouping will be BT46. What was the name of our
Toyonastic.
Toyonasik? Toyonasik.
Toyonastic.
Yeah, Toyonasik BD46. Just a second. Okay, we have to make a vendor. Okay. Hence, six 46 BT 46. Search term is very important because you have to retrieve 53720 PKIS and what else? Islam. Okay, save. Business partner 5,210 was created. Now we have to create in FI. Switch between display and change. Now I will create in the same screen, but I will change the role. Role will be FI vendor. FI vendor, and it will give me a company code over here. And there will be some more entries, fields that will be required, like this, having a star, this is a required field. I will go to company code, and in company code, I will have BT46. Enter. It will ask me for 014 and a reconciliation account /OFS00. Change company code BT46. $60,000 BT46. Yeah, no PBTL account statement type is defined. Okay. OBD 4 AA42 to copy as BT46. BT46. So what I'm actually making is 17 chart of accounts. These chart of accounts are made in finance area. What is these chart of accounts? What is chart of accounts? It is basically categories of accounts made for GL accounts. I can make assets account using this number range. I can make HR accounts using this number range. I can make material accounts using this number range, which is important. Okay. Data was saved. I can add back. FS00 is GL master data. I will create new 60,000 BT46. No PBTL statement account type is defined. Statement account type. Chart. SPRO. Reference ING. Sign compatible chart of accounts. See if it is assigned. 46 PD 46 Ahmedabad है तो ये नासिक आ गया फिर सूर्य नासिक account group is defined retained earnings account BT 46 X 20,000. It says it's not created. I hit enter, save BT 46. Okay, this is done. Now I go to FS00 new 60 BT46. BT46 GL account type is balance sheet account. Account group, you can see from this number range. We are making it this number range. And this is recon account local vendors. Recon account local vendors. Control data. Tax category all. Indian rupee PKR. Recon account type for vendors. Sort G014. Field status group is G067. Local account vendors has been made. BT 46, 60,000. 60,000 and save. Changes have been saved. Okay. Same number range has been used for 5,000 to 110 for FI for general vendor. Now display and change. Display and change. I will now go to general data. And in general data, switch between display and change. Maintained. I will go to MM vendor. Now in MM vendor, company code is replaced by purchasing. Okay, I'll go to purchasing. In purchasing, I will have purchasing organization BT46. Enter. Order currency EKR. Payment terms 003. What is payment terms? Let me tell you that. Payment terms: payable immediately, payable in partial amounts, payable within 40 days and get 3% discount, 20 days 2%, and 30 days due net. Payable immediately, baseline date on end of the month. Payable immediately, due net, baseline date on 10th of next month. So we will take 03. Okay. Then we have another field that requires our attention. Incoterms is for shipping terms. We can configure shipping terms. In GR based in invoice verification, we'll keep it empty. GR based invoice means that you have to do GRN, which is good receipt note, and then you can verify invoice on that. Price determination, it will be there, but that will be from level. Purchasing group, you can give your purchasing group over here. Schema group. Schema group is 01. What is schema group? Schema vendor condition contracts. These are conditions that the vendor will have to go through. You can give a condition over here that is coming under additional purchase data. Okay. Automatic PO, it is generation purchase order allowed or not for MRP. Automatic PO. Okay. Save. Changes have been saved. So I have the same vendor for FI, same vendor for as well. This is how business partners are created on a central level in SAP S4HANA. Before it was not possible, before it was made separately. /N. Next is vendor master is done, vendor master configuration is done. Material master, okay. Logistics, material management, material master, material. Create special. In special, we make raw material, semi-finished good, finished good, trading goods, non-stock material, packaging, and so on. Let's go with generalized. Okay, material industry sector. Industry sector will be packaging. Material type. We had material type ROHP, right? Do you remember? ROHP. Raw material ROHP. Material will be automatically given. Okay, select views. Now, what are the views? These are the views. Basic data, purchasing data, data, counting. Enter. Plant is BT46. Storage location in this plant is BT46. Company code PT40 does not exist, has not been fully maintained. Oh, 6 does not exist. BT46 and PT46. Okay. OBD4. Use enterprise. Okay. PUBG private limited. Okay. Current large company has not been given here. Okay. Plateau was BT46 is complete. Okay. 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 I got it. Mm-hmm. Forward. Same key. Okay. Six. Okay, we have BT46. Okay. Six. Balance sheet. Better. Six. The part of the configuration. Again, not go through. Forty six. Open writer. Six. Your six. Nine number ranges. 46 LO, save, cross application, business partner, basic settings, number engine, groupings, define groupings, new entries, PT46, short name PT46, PT46, vendors, number range LO, LO, save. Okay, we have less than 1 minute.